seasoned backpackers pick their next adventure spot? Here are 10 tips to help you do just that. 1. Start local. Explore your own backyard before venturing further afield. 2. Research online. Countless blogs and forums offer first-hand accounts of trails worldwide. 3. Check out guidebooks. Sometimes old school beats digital for in-depth information. 4. Use mapping apps. They offer real-time trail conditions and user reviews. 5. Talk to fellow backpackers. Their experiences can be a goldmine of information. 6. Consider your fitness level. Some trails demand more than others. 7. Check the season. Always consider the time of year and local weather conditions. 8. Respect local regulations. Some areas require permits or have specific rules. 9. Think about what you want to see. Wildlife, mountains, forests. Let it guide you. 10. Lastly, always stay safe. Inform someone about your plans and pack necessary survival gear. There you have it. 10 tips to find your perfect backpacking spot. Happy trails!